Now let's study the solved examples. Here the question is, decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Here we are having 4 equations, out of which if we consider 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0, we know that in this equation the variable is only one, that is x, and the maximum index of this equation is 2, and because of that we may say that this is a quadratic equation. Second, 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0. If you happen to write it in the general form, we know that the equation 9y square plus y is equal to 0, here the middle term which is missing, we can consider it as 0y also. And now as they say, dash is the only variable. Here also y is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. So this is also a quadratic equation. So here you may fill it up like this, that y is the only variable and the highest index is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Third equation, if you see, the equation m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here they say dash is the only variable but maximum index of the variable is not 2. Why? Because the first index is 3. And here if you see, here is only one variable, that is m. So one condition is being completed, but the second equation is not getting completed. So it is not a quadratic equation. If you look at this, there are actually two binomials. L plus 2 into L minus 5 is equal to 0. If you multiply L by this bracket and plus 2 also by this bracket, you will get L square minus 3L minus 10 equals to 0. In this equation, L is the only variable and the maximum index also here is 2. So it is a quadratic equation.